Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today I want to do something a little different. The other day I made some meatloaf. We made some meatloaf, and we had this left over. I thought it was going to be enough to make another meatloaf, but of course it wasn't. This is only, I just waited a couple of minutes ago, and this is just barely a pound. And so what to do. So I'm going to make some meatloaf burgers out of this. I'm going to make some cheeseburgers out of it. And I might even make me a bacon meatloaf cheeseburger. So let's get started with it. First thing I got to do is open this up and get it out of the wrapper. Now, if you want to know the ingredients to this, I will show you right now, or you can go watch my meatloaf video. But I'm gonna have a clip in here to show you exactly what the ingredients are. So we'll be back and get started in a second. Yeah, the other day when I made my meatloaf, I had just about a pound and I think it's £1.2 pounds of ground beef, and I had a half a pound of sausage patties that I had previously frozen. I had put up, and so I thawed those out. And then let me see, we had oh yes, this is a quarter of a cup, little glasses I'm using here, and I had a heaping quarter of a cup of green bell peppers, and I had a heaping quarter of a cup of diced onions. Kay diced those onions and peppers up for me. And then we had half a cup of Quaker oats. And we had two of these farm fresh eggs that one of Kay's nice co-workers gave her from work. And so, okay, now the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get this back out of this bag here. And I think I'm about ready to throw these scissors away. They about had it. Yeah, if you got to do that much, if it's that much trouble, you know. And I've got a new pair over there, so I don't know why I don't get them out and use them. Those are going by the wayside pretty quick now. Let's see if I can dust this out right here like that. I see that little bit hiding down in there. He thinks he's going to get away, but he ain't. Well, it still smells good. Now, put this aside. Okay, now I'm just going to try to form this up here a little bit and see if I can get it to where I can take my little thing there and make 4 equal size pieces with it. Now, looks about like the middle. And then we'll do it the other way. Now let me see if I can make me a patty out of this. See why not. Oh yeah, nice thick looking there. Now I've got my rack here that came to my Ninja FOODi DELUXE. I'll set it over here. We'll put it right on top of it here. Just like that. And see, we're going to have plenty of room for all 4 of these here. And if the way that meatloaf tastes is any indication the way these burgers are going to taste. Should be good. Scoot him over a little bit there. Make room for your buddy. You always gotta make room for your buddy, you know. I might not have got these exactly even, close enough. Yeah, I think this one's smaller than the rest of them. That's alright, he'll be good too. Alright, now. Okay, now we're going to take this rack and bring it right over here and set it down in this Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Don't they look pretty in there? Alright, now we'll shut the door. Okay, now when you shut the door, when you've got this lid on, it automatically, by default, goes to 390 for 20 minutes. I don't think it's going to take that long, but I'm going to put it down here on bake roast. Okay, and that's going to be for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to hit the start button. Right there. Okay, there it goes. Now, of course, we're never going to let it sit there that long without checking on it real good, so we'll be back in a few minutes to take a look and maybe stick a thermometer in it. Okay, we was up at Sam's Club the other day and we picked up this cheese here, so now I just got to decide which one I want to put on my meatloaf burger here. So, might be the Bruno, might be the Fontana. I don't even know what that one is. Ornamental, I guess. That's what it looks like. French ornamental. Okay, or Irish cheddar. So let me tell you, as you can see, our sample balls are all good. So probably go with the Gouda down there, the Dutch Gouda. Okay, now I know this is not done yet, but I just looked and now I want you to see how good these look. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Alright, I know we got a ways to go on it, but anyway, I just wanted you to see it. Alright, we're down to almost 20 seconds here on this 15-minute cook. While y'all got a chance, if you can join our channel and give us a thumbs up, we sure appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching our videos. If you see anything you like on our videos, chances are I got one of my links down below going to Amazon or something. So check them out sometimes. So now I'm going to take this thermometer and stick in here. Now it says this is supposed to be about, it says internal temperature for meatloaf is supposed to be 165, and that's what basically this is. Let me see. It goes up to 140. So I think we'll shut the lid back on it and start it back. Well, first I'm going to turn down the time on it, so you hit the timer button here. And so you turn it counterclockwise to turn down the time. Let's go put 5 minutes on it, and then we'll hit the start button. So just needs a little bit more, but not much. So we'll get back to it in a minute. Oh, I guess you can see out of the corner of your eye, we got me some bacon sitting right here. I'm gonna put on that bad boy. I just noticed you can see that over there. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, doggy, that don't look good. Oh, I declare. Well, I'm not even going to stick a thermometer in them again because I don't want to be disappointed in what it says. But I got a piece of Dutch cheese and a piece of French cheese I'm going to put on my two. We'll do them just like that. Now, still says we got 1:06 on here, but I'm not going to leave them in there that long. I'm going to leave them in there long enough for this cheese just to start to melt, and I'm going to take them out. So, here we go. Okay, now we're down to 4 seconds here, so fixing to take these bad boys out. Alright. Yeah, let's get over here so you can see more. Look where that cheese is just laying down on those burgers there. So, now I got to move the FOODi DELUXE here just a little bit so I can get them out. And set them right here on those little pot holders. Fold back those things there a little bit. Now we'll get my bun ready here. Got house mayonnaise on both pieces of your roll, you know. Just like that. Ooh, this is going to be so good. And now, I'll take this one over here, pick him up and set him right down there. Don't that look good already? I'll tell you. Alright, now, take me a couple pieces of bacon and lay across here just like that. Now see if I can get something to get me a pickle out with. This looks like it will do right here. Mount Olive pickles. Y'all ever been to Mount Olive? Just down the street from where Andy Griffin used to live out in Mayberry. I've been there. Now, oh, I want some pepper on that. Gotta have a little more pepper on it than that. What do you think, folks? I bet this is going to be good. Oh, that look good. You won't believe this. This is, if you've never had a burger taste like this before, you got to try this. I'll tell you, even if you don't like meatloaf, you ought to mix up some of this stuff so you can make you one of these burgers. Because it's like nothing you've ever tasted before. Of course, I got that bacon on there and that cheese and that pickle. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you the truth right now. It doesn't even taste that much like meatloaf. I mean, a completely different taste. So, I hope you enjoy watching this as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I really wish you enjoyed it as much as I am when I enjoy these burgers right here. So until next time, y'all have a real good, safe day, and hope you come back and see us as soon as you can. And if you get a chance, try one of these one time. You're really going to be surprised at the taste and flavor in it. So until next time, goodbye now.